What if I told you that AI isn't just about chatbots anymore? AI agents are something completely different. They can think, they can plan, and they can actually do things in the real world, all by themselves. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how they work. And trust me, this will change how you see technology forever. If you find this helpful, hit that like button right now. It seriously helps more people discover this. Okay, so here's how an AI agent actually thinks. And this is the part most people don't know. It follows a loop called perceive, think, act. First it perceives. It scans its environment, reads data, checks the internet. Then it thinks. It figures out the smartest next move. Then it acts. It actually does something in the real world. And then it loops back and does it all over again. Think of it exactly like playing a video game. Your brain does this same loop constantly. Now imagine a machine doing it 1,000 times faster. Pretty wild. Here is where it gets really powerful, and honestly a little bit mind-blowing. AI agents don't work alone. They have tools. They can search the internet. They can write and run actual code. They can call any app or API out there. And they have memory, short-term memory for what's happening right now, and long-term memory to learn from the past. Combine these superpowers together, and you get an AI that can handle tasks that would take a human team days, all in just a few minutes. Stay with me because the next part gets even crazier. So what happens when you put multiple AI agents in a team? You get a multi-agent system, and this is where things get absolutely wild. Imagine one agent as the boss, called the orchestrator. It gets a big complex goal, breaks it down, and delegates to specialists. One agent researches everything. Another writes the code. Another writes the final report. The whole team runs on autopilot, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever needing a break. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. We cover stuff like this every single week. Here's the big picture, and pay attention to this part. AI agents are already out there right now, working in the real world. They're helping scientists discover new medicines. They're running customer support systems. They're writing software and managing entire projects. McKinsey estimates up to 100% of knowledge work tasks could eventually be automated. That is not science fiction, it's already starting. The people who understand how to work with AI agents are going to thrive. That is your superpower. If this video opened your eyes, please like it and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Drop a comment below. What would you use an AI agent for? I read every single one.